Have a Hustler ZTR mower that the deck belt is twisting and won't stay on mower. Would it be the spindles or pulleys bad, or maybe something else?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Have you replaced belt with new and checked all the pulleys for being free and no bearings out? And do you have good tension on the new belt? Belt guides in place and close enough to keep belt on pulleys?
Yes, the belt was new and the pulleys seem to spin smoothly. The bearings seem okay but may have a tiny bit of play in them.
Once the belt has become twisted, it will not stay on. Has to be replaced. Lineup look correct. No pulley has moved up or down and is no longer in alignment.
I have another new belt to put on the mower, but this same thing happened just a few weeks ago. I will have to look at alignment of pulleys and get back to you on that one.
All spindle bearing will have a little play. That will not be causing it. Alignment or belt guards not close enough to the pulleys are most common reason.
It's been a few years since I changed out pulleys. Maybe it's time to replace all 3 of them.
Is the belt riding down in the pulleys? Belt should be riding on the edges and not get to the bottom of the pulley. Belt loses grip if it is going to the bottom of the grooves. Do you get good tension on the belt? The idler spring may be weak, or the idler may be bottoming out or is hanging and not putting full tension on the belt.
The pulleys seem okay and don't have grooves in them. They are smooth looking to me. The grooves in the spindles look good as well. I will double check all of them when I put new belt on them.
Okay. Let me know. Thank you.
Okay, Curtis. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.